Today we talk about how can you use StubHub on your app. So we go to figure out the solution. So in first we'll go to talk about your profile. So just click here on your profile here on profile. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here, if you want to change your photo profile, just click on this sign or add it. Can here check a photo and here select from your camera roll here. So then here can you find your orders here when you just click on it. So you will change to open video. So then in this list here, it's going to show for you your orders here. Just switching to open video in this list. So it's going to show for you like this. Here you will find your current orders and here past orders. Then we will go back here and here you will find all your listings you have. Just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here you will find your active listings and here pending, then here deactivate and here sold expired. So here you will find here all listings you have. So then in another list here you will find here your sales. Just click on it. Then it's going to show. So then it's going to show for you here all sales you have here, open sales and completed. And here can you select here that. Then we will go back again here, and here you will find your SIP season tickets wallet. Just click on it. Here you will find in this list your wallet. So it's going to show for you like this here, or season ticket wallet. Can you just click here on add season ticket, and here you select link, then here time, then here section, row, set number. If you have here you set your number set, and here add season ticket, then it's going to add video here. So here can you add your season ticket. Then we will go back here again, and here you will add or manage your payments. Just click on it here. So it's going to show for you like this, and here you will find all payments you have. I have no payments here yet. So then we will go back, and here you will click on contact here. Then here can you change your name. Just click here in this sign, then it's going to take you to choose your name, and here your email address. Then here your password, you will change it here, and here can you change language. Then here add your primary phone, and here can you delete your account here. So we will go back here, then we will talk to another step. Here can you add your addresses. It's going to show for you like this here, and here can you click here on add new address. Just click on it here. So then you select your country and your name, use surname here, then address, city and state, then here postal code, then you click on add. Then here it's going to add with you your shopping address. We will go back here, then we will go to talk to another step, and you go down, just click here on location and currency here. So then here can you change your country and language here, then currency. You can select your currency here, then preferred your location. So in another step here you will find notification settings. Just click on it. Then here can you manage all notifications you have in this list, and here for email, then here for push notifications. So we will go back, then we will talk to another step here, and here you will find your favorites. When you click on it, you will find here performers here. So I have no favorites, and here you will find events. So here can you save these events here, and performance here can you follow this on trading performance. Here can you select or follow them here. So in another step we click here on profile. In another step here can you click here on friends. Then here you will find your following and followers here. Then here can you access your contacts. So, and here can you link with Spotify. Then here can you sign out of your account. Here you will find all tickets you have in this list. Can you find it? Upcoming events here, you will find all tickets you get. It's going to show for you in this list. Then here in explore, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all dates and price and map area, and it's going to show for you here. Then here can you get this events here in your location or another location. Then here it's going to show for you in these points all events exist on your city here. So then now we will go to talk how can you get tickets on your app. So all you have to do, just go down here, and here you select any of these events you want to take tickets. I'm going to click in this event here. So then just switch in here to open video. Then here in verse it's going to show for you like this when it's going to open video. Here can you select tickets. So I'm going to add 4 tickets here. Then you click here on continue. So then it's going to show for us here. When it's going to show for us here, and here you just click on it. When you click here and this start, it's going to take you to get your tickets or pay your tickets here on your StubHub app. It's going to show for you like this, and here you will find price, ticket price. Here quantity, I have 4 tickets. So then here just click here on pay for this. If you want to add PayPal, or and you click here on go to checkout, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on start here. So you have so your price is, so it's going to show for you like this, and here can you get your ticket. Like you said, just click on continue here. So then it's going to take you to another step. You will find here your email and all information. Here paying this is as a gift if you want to pay it as a gift, or which time are you routing for. Here can you select time. I'm going to add Philadelphia Phyllis here. Then you click on continue here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video. Then here can you pay for your tickets. If you want to add your credit or debit card or PayPal or Google Pay or Klarna here or PayPal Pay later or after pay here, and when you add it you click on continue, then it's going to get so it's going to down with you, then you get your ticket on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.